Hi guys, good afternoon. It's a rainy afternoon actually. May project na naman po tayo para sa ating 2011 Dodge Journey. Magpapalit po tayo ng PCV valve or positive crankcase ventilation valve. Ayan. So location po niya nandito sa loob nito. Pakita natin later. So the reason I'm gonna change this because medyo parang nagbaburn ng oil yung engine. So one of the reason daw ito, since hindi niya na-vacuum yung positive pressure galing doon sa loob at binabalik niya doon sa intake. So palitan natin and we'll see. Be right back. Here's the location of the PCV valve. Ito siya. So, papalitan natin siya. Ayun. Direct replacement lang po ito. Okay. Wait lang po. Okay. Ito po yung old one. Okay, na nakuha natin dito. Dito siya nakakabit. Ayan. So, tanggal na natin yan. And then palitan natin itong brand new. Okay, as you can see, maingay pa siya kasi yung springs niya okay na okay pa, pero ito parang wala ka na masyadong marinig. So we don't know, I think hindi na siya nagpa-function na maayos. So palitan natin siya. Okay, natin dito, direct replacement lang naman siya. Oops. Okay, that's it. So hand tight lang siya, pwede na. Kasi yung tinanggal natin hand tight lang naman. Then balik natin yung hose. That's it. Bago na siya. Alright. Okay, PCV valve replaced. Then balik lang natin yung cover nya. Then try natin siyang start. Alright. Okay, nabalik na po natin yung engine cover. And okay, try po nating start if everything will be alright. Okay, start. Alright, working. Hopefully, check po natin later kung okay, magiging okay yung level ng kanyang langis. Okay, okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on the next project. Thank you.